Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can change the color style or the color palette of any design in Canva. As you can see here, I have this template that I got from Canva. I got it from here. This is not something that I created. And you can see that it has this green color. I believe this is much closer to green. And the color is minimalistic, which is alright, but I want to use something more vibrant. So how do you actually change the color of these objects without having to do it manually? Well, fortunately, Canva allows you to change the style of a design very quickly. It's literally just one click away. So what you need to do, you have to open the page, open the document, and then navigate to the design option, and then go to styles. And then here you will see plenty of styles that you could copy for your design. For example, there's a design for your brand. There is a combination, which means it will combine the text and also the color. If you prefer to change the text as well, you can go to this section and then you find a lot of options right here. And there is also the search option. But I'm going to change the color only. So navigate to color palettes and you'll see a lot of options. So fortunately, there is a tagging that says vibrant, so I'm going to select that. And I'm going to use a different color. I guess I'm going to use this pink color and let's see what's going to happen. And there you have it. But in case you are not satisfied with this option, you can always randomize the color. So let's go back to design again. And when you click this design or click this color option again, it will adjust to a different color. You can click it as many as you like until you get the one that you think is the best for your case. But yeah, in any case, this is how you can change the color of your design in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.